What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alright guys, so this is what is going on. Yes, boys and girls, we are back at Scram Speed up in Mahomet, Illinois, and this is the final chapter of the GT. As you can clearly see, it's all back together and on the dyno. So today, the plan is we're going to see how much steam we can make. Hopefully not split the block in half, right, Kyle?
That's the plan.
We're gonna no ventilation of the block, please. We need all the rods to stay there, you know, just everything to be good. But if you caught the second upload about this, the engine was still out and we're still putting everything together. But as you can clearly see, it's ready to rock and roll. All right, guys. So just to recap really quick, what is this combo? Basically, it's an Explorer short block, and then you've got AFR 165 Holley System Max heads, and it's got a basic, just like a off-the-shelf comp cam on 3 turbo kit, 70mm turbo. It's got a G-Force spec built T5 in it. That's pretty much it. Pretty basic combo. My guess, this was very similar to the pushrod combo I had in my car before we did the swap. And, you know, so this is a low 300s horsepower. You know, between 300 and 320 would be my guess on motor. So with the on 3 turbo kit, who knows? So I would guess, again, my guess, it's probably going to make close to 500. But, pretty simple kit. And if you're new to the channel, we're also installing this kit on a 93 GT at the shop, so you're going to be able to see how that kind of went down too. But I'll probably be picking their brain on anything we need to know about this install. But luckily this one's done and we get to see it make some steam today, make some turbo noises. Last and final note, it does run Holley EFI as far as the engine management. All right, guys, so real quick before we get rolling here, we got to check out the latest projects here in the shop. Pretty cool. This is the Edelbrock TVS 2650. Pretty neat little kit. Steve is trying to get the tune uploaded via the SET S4 that he loves to death, right?
No, that is not the case.
But this car ought to run pretty good. These are what, 6.2s?
Yep.
Okay.
6.2.
Yeah.
With the supercharger, they run pretty well before the supercharger.
Sure.
It's no coyote.
Right.
But they run pretty darn good.
Yeah. That should be a pretty cool little car. And then of course the race cars over here. And there's actually, I know you guys are not big Corvette fans. I'm not either. Hey, who's this guy? What are you doing, man? Oh, never mind. This car, y'all, I gotta say, it's a built LSX twin turbo, 1,000 horsepower. It's freaking. Again, I'm not a Corvette guy, but yeah, I'd like to go for a quick ride in this bad boy. All right, boys, we're about to fire it up, get a little heat in it, and make some steam in a minute. Kyle, you ready to hear turbo noises?
Yes. Yeah, finally.
Yeah.
I just found out not that long ago. It was, what was it? 2 days ago. Steve was like, "Yeah, that engine only should put out like 450." Like, what do you mean only put out 450? You know, like usually when we have something turbo on the dyno, it's like, yeah, we're shooting for 800 today.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, that block's good to like 425 to 475 is like the gray area for the block, and it's like you go higher than that and you're kind of asking for it.
Yeah, once you get much past that, you're on God's good graces.
Okay, I was like, low boost it is then. So,
for real.
Right?
hear her run, boys. This thing has come a long way. A little bit of rocker noise. Probably have to go back and adjust those. Pretty standard stuff. All right, boys, real quick, we got the got some heat in it. Wanted to go over a couple things real quick. The boost is right now, I've got a 6-pound spring in it, then you got 2 at the gate, so roughly we're going to be about 8 pounds, and that's going to keep it safe. And because obviously, again, we don't want to split the block, so once we make the actual pull, hopefully if it starts making 600, we'll probably shut the pull down.
The two things I'll be watching is boost pressure and air fuel.
Sure.
I'll know if it goes, if I see a double digit and boost, we'll lift. If I see anything, you know, in the 13s, I'll lift.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's kind of one of those things. But it's got the Holly on it. It's super fast at correcting. We won't see any issues out of that.
Awesome.
The only thing we were worried about mainly on making a pull is it doesn't have a catch cam on it. It has this little contraption from Trick Flow that just sort of regulates through a 1/4-inch hose into the intake. So on diesel, it's going to most likely smoke like a bitch. So,
probably, yeah.
But it's a byproduct of not having a catch cam. You have PVC on a turbo car.
Right, yeah.
You know, all the boost you lift, all the vacuum, it smokes. So that'll be one thing we'll probably put on the car here in the near future to make it not look so dramatic on diesel. So whether it's the track or the street or on the dyno, it won't smoke at all after that.
Definitely. Alright, boys, so here we go. Checking real quick. Did 448 and 440 torque. That looks like 8.5 pounds of boost. So it's like ran it all the way up to 5,800. So super solid little combination. And again, guys, if this thing had an aftermarket block in it, you could up the boost. You could, there's so much more you could do with this car, or as far as potential wise, there's so much more you can do with this combo. Alright, y'all, so second pull looks like was about the same. 446, 440. Too shabby. What do you think, Kyle? She's doing pretty well?
Yeah, it was real well. We didn't make any changes that time other than correcting the fuel, make it more accurate. It was out by about 10% of the last pull.
Yeah.
This pull, we were out 9, so it's getting there.
Yeah.
But our target, our commanded is right there. 11.5 is what we're shooting for.
Very nice.
Doesn't really get any better than that.
No.
So
smooth all the way up.
Yeah, we were looking, made peak torque at 5,000. 7.9 pounds of boost. We were at 11.8 air fuel. Peak power was 5750. About 8.5 pounds.
That's a little higher than I thought, especially the torque as far as, the RPM where it hit max.
Looks good. You can see Holly doing its thing, correcting, bouncing around. But that'll get flatter the more time that's put on the setup, It'll self-correct and get really, really smooth eventually.
And how often are you going to be able to go like straight to watt, other than on the dyno?
Right. Yeah.
You ain't gonna do it on those tires.
Right.
Not on those tires,
we
boys.
have traction on here. We ain't gonna have traction on the street.
Exactly.
They'll have way different characteristics. But
All right, guys. So there you go. That is the final installment of the this is the third one of this car. This car originally, if you hadn't saw the video, was rescued from a shop that basically the owner got a pretty good shaft job on the build, so they had to take everything out and start all over. I'll have links in the description so you can see the other updates on the car. But it's fixed, it's right, it's making stupid power, and it's reliable. It's not going to give them any issues. So can't ask for more than that. You know, nearly 500 horsepower street car in a stick with a stick, and you know, weighing 3,000 pounds. Good times. So in the meantime, we got to get back to the shop and start working on the cars at the shop, and a bunch of other stuff. So yes, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Huge shout out again to Scram Speed for doing awesome work. Hit them up if you're anywhere near the Illinois, you know, central Illinois area for any work, or even if you're not, they do fantastic work. 100% highly recommend them. So everybody stay safe. Catch you on the next one.